What is going on, my merchant wordians? How are you all today? My name is Tommy Behringer. I am the product manager and Amazon expert here at Merchant Words. And you guys may be noticing this new, cool, awesome side navigation toolbar here, the little purple toolbar that you see over there on the left-hand side of your screen. Well, this is part of our dedicated hard work to you guys, to all of our users out there, all of our merchant wordians. Just trying to provide you a better experience with our site, and so you can go ahead and excel in your Amazon business. That's what we're here to do, right? So, at a high level, I'm just going to go over briefly what each of these tools are on the side nav for you here, and I'm going over in separate videos. I'm going to go over on what each one of them do and what they are. So, at a high level, the CO right here is our keywords collections. This is basically where you're going to go ahead and store and create keyword lists. So now you can have a home for your keywords. And like I said, I did a video on this as well, so went into a little bit more detail on it. But that's what this CO is right here for collections. Going down the line, CS is our classic tool, which I am actually in right now. A little bit further down here, this is our keyword multiplier tool. This is really cool. This is related keywords to the keyword phrase that you go ahead and type into the search bar. Our page one products tool we've had for a while. And this is basically what comes back on the page one of search for the keyword phrase that you type in. The page one of search from Amazon. We pull in those metrics and show them to you right there. ASIN Plus is our reverse ASIN lookup tool. And I'm sure some of you are familiar with that, but that's what this is over here, the little A plus. And LA is the LA button is our listing advisor service. So this is where we go ahead and write your listing for you. Our hardworking experts here will go ahead and write your whole entire listing for you. They're really awesome. I really recommend you guys go out and hire us to go ahead and write that listing for you to be better optimized on Amazon, right? So this is just at a high level what is going on over here with our brand new Merchant Words 3.0 site. Keep looking at the other videos to get some more detail on what each of them can do for you and your business. And till next time, be awesome, stay awesome, guys. Love you. Have fun.